Alright, everybody. I have tried talking to people about this before. I've tried posting about it. I've tried tweeting at certain people in the ape community to try and get some information about this, but alas, it seems that nobody really cares, or that I'm either being shadow banned or not sure what's going on here, but I'm getting some really, really crazy data from Shortsight, and it's been like this for like the entire year. Well, not the entire year, but the past 8 months. When they declared that the Omicron variant was a danger, I saw in the charts that all stocks hit $0. I know that's crazy. I don't know. I don't know what's really going on, but I'm just gonna make this video to show you guys what I'm looking at before I can't see it anymore. So right here, this is Shortsight. It's S3 data. It's a free software web application that lets you see the data of all stocks that they're keeping track of. So we can look at any stock and we can find this data. Look at 90 days, we don't really see anything. 6 months, we found it. There was actually another point in time when all stocks hit 0, which was when the Omicron variant was declared dangerous by the CDC and WHO. I tried talking about it at that time, but I believe I was shadow banned on Twitter. $0. This is Apple. I have contacted S3 about this data, and they haven't said anything to me. This is Tesla. Same date, 8/17. This is all the different stocks. So I showed you Apple, Tesla, Ford, GameStop, and you can see the short interest amount goes to 0 as well. What if you look at the data for the short interest? We can still see that there's some short interest on there, so you can obviously tell that the data was being recorded properly. AMC, same thing, and it apparently is supposedly ran back up from 0 to 21.36 and went down since. Everything goes down. Not sure if this is part of the reverse repo or what. I need to take some economic classes. But I downloaded some books about, stock market. As you can see, this is not normal at all. All your favorite stocks. This happened to every single one of them. Wow, it peaked around 8/17, went down. Okay. And here's our beloved ape shares. Pretty crazy. There's absolute corruption with ape. Oh my god. This one, yeah, this is fucked up. This is AMTD Digital. Well, I'm not going to show you every stock in the entire market. I just want you to understand it's every single one that I look at goes to 0. And then, this is just absolute fucking dog shit price discovery. What the fuck is this? Come on, dude. Price discovery does not exist anymore. Fair markets do not exist anymore. Regulators do not do their jobs. Our taxpayer money is going into the pockets of these corrupted individuals who don't even do their jobs. and everybody still goes to work and they do their jobs and they pay taxes into the politicians' pockets. It's just unfair. That's the only way I can put it. And we're seeing shit like this. Okay. Yeah, we need to do something, guys. Alrighty. That'll be it for today.